In this video, I'm going to show you how to engage a new customer using the BizPayo engagement tool. To start, let's set up what we might be engaging. On your screen here, you see an engagement agreement that I might send to a prospective customer. This is just an example, of course, of an agreement, and you should have your own that you use in your practice. But basically, it's going to outline the services that I'm going to provide, as well as the fees that this customer will pay to me. You can see here that this customer will be paying me $500 for an initial payment and $250 monthly ongoing. When I'm ready to engage this person, I'm going to start by logging into my BizPayo dashboard. And I'm going to choose the Engage option from the left navigation. And then I'm going to walk through these few simple steps. The first thing it's going to ask me to do is type in how much I want to get paid now upon the acceptance of my services. And this engagement that I'm sending says that this customer is going to be paying me $500 for initial payment. Next, it wants to know if this person is going to be paying me recurring. I'm going to have scheduled payments for this customer. The answer is yes. This customer is going to be paying me $250 ongoing every single month. On the next screen, I can upload that agreement that we were just looking at. So I will go out to my computer and choose the customer agreement for Josh and attach it to this send. And on the final page, it's just going to ask me to type in the customer's information. And when I hit send, at this point, Josh will receive an email with a link to view my engagement. He will then be able to accept or decline this agreement. If he accepts, then the system will prompt him to make an electronic signature and then choose his payment method for his initial and recurring payments. Once the agreement is accepted, I will receive an email letting me know, but I'll also be able to see that he's accepted by going out to my dashboard and choosing recent engagements. I'll see that Josh is now in here and his status has been changed to accepted. And if I click the magnifying glass, I'll see a little bit more information about the engagement that I've sent to him. I've linked the engagement agreement that I've sent, so I always have access to it. These engagement details will always live on the system, so I'll always have a repository of all the engagements I've sent to any prospective clients. All I would need to do now is set up Josh's recurring payments by clicking the Schedule Payments button. And if you want more information about scheduling recurring payments, you can watch our video, How to Set Up Recurring Payments, for more information.